The National Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Anderson County and central Texas until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Miguel, or 13 miles east of Palestine, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Anderson County, including the following locations: Crystal Lake and Slocum. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Anderson, Texas. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm